Hello, I'm Rich Falcone. I'm an attorney with the Littler Mendelson firm. I have been advising and representing employers now for 34 years and all the different aspects of the employment relationship and all the issues that come up in the employment relationship. I've talked earlier on a couple videos about the employment law survival kit in which we have attempted to identify and address each of the components or cycles of the employment relationship, managing the employment cycle. Today I wanted to talk with you about cycle 3, which we refer to as maintaining the employment relationship. To back up for just a moment, cycle 1 was the hiring process, when you went about the process or business of hiring an employee. Cycle 2, you established the employment relationship with that employee. We talked about employment contracts and what you need to do to establish that relationship. Cycle 3 is maintaining that relationship. It isn't over after you hire the employee. You've got responsibilities as an employer for a number of different things that occur during the employment relationship that you have with any given employee. For example, there are going to be wage changes, compensation changes, benefit changes for each individual employee who has any degree of longevity with you as the employer. And you need to make sure that at the starting point for those changes that you've got a realistic understanding and basis for the change. Why are we increasing the salary or hourly wage of this employee, if indeed you're doing that? Is a wage increase warranted? What's our guideline for doing that? There are various studies, the Radford study and other studies that you can look at to find out where does my employee stand in relation to other employees in our industry and in our area. There are other changes that may occur. I mentioned benefits. Changes may occur there that you need to document, and you need to make sure that the employee understands the changes occurring, signing off and acknowledging that, and you need to have a system in place that keeps track of those changes. Workplace privacy, workplace safety are all things that we address and cover during the third cycle. Also, performance appraisals. That's going to occur as you maintain the employment relationship. With employment appraisals or evaluations, are your managers properly trained? Do you have a form that is current, that actually measures the job duties and things that this particular employee does? Is your manager properly filling that out? Is he or she taking the time to properly evaluate the employee? Very important stuff. We've got the forms, the evaluation forms, vacation forms, PTO forms, all the different things for you to be aware of as you maintain cycle 3 of the employment relationship and maintain the file for that particular employee and all employees that you have. So I hope you found this helpful. I hope you have the opportunity to contact us to talk with us about the Employment Law Survival Kit and each cycle therein, as we'd be very happy to assist you in any way that we can. Thanks for your time.